Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, today I'm going to take my banana bread to the next level and make an even more indulgent treat with it. And this is a great way to use up any leftover banana bread or maybe some that's been sitting around for a while. It's a great way to use it up, or even if it's just fresh banana bread and you want to do something different with it and make it even nicer. I'm going to make banana bread French toast. I like banana bread and French toast. They're both really nice treats, so why not bring them together? It's egg and dairy free. And I'm adding to it even more banana. And bananas are a really healthy ingredient, excellent source of vitamins and minerals. And they are good because they're also low GI and they help to keep blood sugar steady. And if you have diabetes, they're a great way to treat low blood sugar. And they also help calm the nervous system. So actually a banana is a great treat to have before bed. So a dessert like this French toast, which has a lot of banana in it, would actually be a nice tea time dessert treat. To make the batter for the French toast, you just need banana. Actually, I'm only doing a half quantity of the recipe today, but the full quantity will make at least 4 to 5 slices of bread, but I'm only doing 2 today, so I'm just half the recipe. So normally you'd use a whole banana, but I'm just using half. And this has been the freezer. You can freeze bananas in their skin. Just thaw them out in some water and the skin comes off easily. And then you can blend it. So that way you don't have to waste any of your bananas. So if you see they're going a bit dark, just put them in the freezer and they'll keep there for a very long time actually. Banana replaces sugar and eggs, so it's a healthy way to replace those ingredients. And I'm just going to use almond milk, unsweetened almond milk. Normally 2/3 of a cup, but a half quantity is just 1/3 of a cup. So you can either make the full quantity or the half quantity. Half a tablespoon of flax powder, which also acts as an egg replacer. So I'm just putting 1/4 of a tablespoon in there. Have some cinnamon and nutmeg, just to add a bit of extra flavour and goodness. So just 1/4 to a half teaspoon, depends on your personal taste, whether you really like the taste of the spices to be strong or not. So just grating some nutmeg in. And grated nutmeg has a better flavour than just ready powdered nutmeg. And lastly, just a teaspoon or half teaspoon of vanilla. And then just blend it till it's smooth. But if you didn't have a blender, you could just mash the banana and just mix it really well so it makes a smooth batter. So just pour the mixture into a flat bowl. For the banana bread, I'm just using my choc chip banana recipe. And I also have a recipe up for coconut banana bread, which is an even healthier version of banana bread, lower in sugar, and it doesn't contain any flour, whereas this of course does contain flour. It's up to you what you use, or you might have your own recipe that you use, so you can use any kind. And this has choc chips in it, which actually adds to the flavour as well, so that's what I really like. So now you just need to soak the bread on both sides. Just make sure it's well coated in the mixture. So just turn it around a few times and let it just absorb the mixture for a couple of minutes. So now we just need to fry our banana bread French toast. So I'm just going to put just a little bit of coconut oil onto the fry pan. It's any oil, but coconut oil is a really healthy oil. Just let it heat up a little bit, medium to high heat. So just going to put the bread in and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So make sure you let it cook, just let it cook there for 2 to 3 minutes so it goes nice and brown. Okay, just flip that over and let it cook another couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. You can see when it's got chocolate in it, the chocolate melts. So you have nice gooey chocolate in your French toast. Alright, that's all done now. So we'll just need to plate it up with some nice accompaniments. So I'm sitting here with my banana bread French toast, and I've just added some delicious accompaniments, some vegan vanilla ice cream. You can find my recipe on YouTube, and also some fresh fruit and some drizzled chocolate and cinnamon. And of course, whipped coconut cream would be great with this too, or even some date caramel sauce would also be really nice. So it's up to you. Just go crazy with your toppings and enjoy. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.